Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to get restaurant data from Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. Download the Mailzy extension from the official website. You can visit the official website at mailzy.du. Once the file is downloaded on your computer, right-click on it. Then, choose Extract All. Unzip the downloaded file. Open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over to Extensions and then click on Manage Extension. Enable Developer Mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. Click Load Unpacked and select the folder where you unzipped the Mailzy files. You should see the Mailzy icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. You may need to create an account with Mailzy to use all its features. Now, once the extension is installed, let's explore how you can extract emails from Google Maps. Open your web browser and click on the Mailzy extension icon. Click on the Google Maps option within the Mailzy extension. Then, toggle the button next to Google Maps Scraper to turn it on. In your web browser, visit maps.google.com. Navigate to your desired location and enter your target niche, e.g., restaurants, in the search bar. The search results will populate in the left sidebar. Ensure you're logged in to Mailzy and have the Google Maps Scraper enabled. You will see an Extract All Search Pages button. Click on this button. Visit all the search results. The Mailzy extension will collect data from each result. Once finished, click on the Mailzy extension icon in the top menu bar. Select Mailzy extension and then click the Download button. An Excel file containing the extracted data will be downloaded to your computer. Open the downloaded Excel file. You will find the extracted data, including email addresses in the Emails column, assuming restaurants have emails listed. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.